Hey guys, this is Elza Services LLC. We're wrapping things up as I speak. This is our line set, 5-ton, our 2-ton, nice and sealed. This is one of the zones. We got 3 zones on here. We got our drains. So once we do our set out, we come back and do our drains. This is our fresh air. This is another zone right there. 2. And then we got that other one right over there. So we got 3 zones on this 5-ton right there. Residential, commercial installations. This is our vent hood for the kitchen vent hood. And we're wrapping things up. We got our 16-inch returner plenum. We got 2 small returns to 2 bedrooms. That's our fresh air. We're gonna connect that to that right there. These are our 90% furnaces. Monday. Sí, patrón. Ya eso sí, ya. Give us a call, 512-663-9111. And I'm gonna do a walkthrough real quick down there. But we're about to, every job we do, everything's nicely suspended. We sweep after, it's not a complete Mr. Clean, sweep, but what I'm saying is we do a general sweep real quick because we do have the electrical contractor. But give us a call if you're building a house, maybe a commercial building, 512-663-9111. We are Elza Services LLC. We are not a scam. We are a verified contractor. And I'll walk through real quick. We got our supplies, exhausts. We got our dryer vent. Boom. Everything's nice and sealed. Our line sets right there. Still need to insulate those ends right there. Give us a call, 512-663-9111. That's our kitchen vent. And in our master living room, we got all these 4 vents. On the entry, we have a 6-inch. And like I said, we sweep after every job that we're at. It's not, again, it come like a Mr. Clean sweep, but we do clean up after ourselves. Got to hook up these exhausts, and that's it, guys. Give us a call, 512-663-9111. Thank you.